Lauren here from Brownlows, another arrival into us today. We have this Vauxhall combo 7-seater van. 9995, it is manual gearbox, front and rear parking sensors and reversing camera for you. Let's take a look in the inside of the vehicle now. Onto the inside of the van here now, you've got your full cloth interior, 5-speed manual gearbox, all of your climate controls down here for you as well. The van does come with your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, sat-nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control on the left-hand side of your steering wheel as well. And back onto the outside of the vehicle here now. As you can see here, the additional seating in the middle row, and there is another 2 seats at the back for you. It would come with a full 12 months MOT, no advisories, an oil and filter service, a 3-month warranty and a 12-month AA breakdown cover. You can find us on 351 Horton Road, DL1 2BP, or give me a call. My name's Lauren, I'm from the sales team here at Brownlows. The number is 01325 484 870.
Brownlows Cars, we believe everyone deserves a chance to drive the dream car. With our hassle-free finance options, bad credit is no problem. The zero deposit finance is available.
We have an amazing selection of cars and commercial vehicles, and every vehicle has our own 3 months warranty and 12 months AA breakdown cover. Visit us today.
351 Horton Road, Darlington, DL1 2BP. Brownlows Cars, the name you can trust.